These two altcoins are under the radar for 2024, and one crypto community is about to get a massive airdrop this week that you'll want to pay attention to. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Altcoin Buzz Alpha is proud to say that we now have a winning portfolio spread among different sectors. We're also very well positioned to get into good IDOs. What about airdrops? Check the number of airdrops we've received until now. Add to that the original Celestia airdrop and more coming. We've achieved all of this by giving many deep research diversified calls. Check out our numbers in December. We now plan to reallocate profits to low caps, diversify to new sectors, get bigger airdrops, catch latest trends like Bitcoin and Lena inscriptions, and DCA during market flushes. We've also recently introduced a yearly subscription on Patreon. If you subscribe to our yearly plan, you get 1 month's membership completely free. Check out Altcoin Buzz Alpha with the link down below. Bitcoin heads into the first monthly close of 2024 with a round trip to its yearly starting point, but what's next? In a key week for United States macroeconomic policy, Bitcoin price action continues to hover around 42K. The past month has seen highs of 49K, which was followed by a snap loss of 20%. The latest Bitcoin price action forms part of a relief bounce that entered last week after a reversal at 38,500. Trader Skew saw grounds for cautious optimism on lower timeframes. In a summary on X, he flagged the area at $42,000 as one to watch. From his perspective, it doesn't look so bad to be honest. However, the 1 hour and 4 hour trend establishment will be important confluence with the mid-range level, and Skew added that he was looking for positive signs on Bitcoin's relative strength index on the hourly timeframes. Markets have long assumed that this month's FOMC meeting on January 31st will yield few surprises, instead favoring the start of interest rate cuts at the next meeting in March. According to data from CME Group's FedWatch tool, the odds of rates staying at their current levels after January 31st are at nearly 98%. Our partners at IQ Protocol are back in the news again with another new partnership. Its innovative model of wrapping NFTs so you can rent them out to others short-term and earn income is a real game changer. And renters love it because you can try out a new game with an empty wallet and zero cost to get started. Recently, IQ announced a partnership with Exports and its Hejin camel racing game as part of the deal. Exports is giving $80,000 worth of Hejin NFTs to IQ for its rental program. Prizes include up to 1,000 USDT, 10,000 IQT tokens, and 10,000 XARC tokens. The contest started on Saturday and goes for a couple weeks until February 10th. Other than an Exports wallet to play the game, you have no added costs or steps to get started if you want to try the game out. In other IQ Protocol news, the IQT token is now listed on MEXC, and the trading pair available there is IQT and USDT. And power users of the IQ NFT rental marketplace will benefit from lower fees and a revenue share if you stake your IQT tokens. IQ Protocol has a lot of cool stuff going on, so give their NFT rental marketplace a try today with the link down below. The first coin under the radar right now is Solana. According to Hello Moon, the number of new Solana addresses reached 10.13 million in January. This figure was a record since May 2022, when 11.72 million addresses appeared on the network. The success of Solana-based meme coins has undoubtedly influenced the number of registrations. The latest popular meme token, WEN, is currently being distributed to over 1 million users. The WEN airdrop also serves as a test for Jupiter, Solana's largest DEX aggregator, ahead of its Wednesday planned airdrop of its native governance token Jupe. Solana's meme coin WEN trading volume surpassed $55 million in less than 8 hours. WEN is available for claim from January 26th to January 29th on the LFG launchpad from decentralized exchange Jupiter, and more than 1 million wallets are eligible to receive over 643,000 tokens each. At 3 p.m. UTC, which was the time of launch, the total amount of WEN distributed to eligible wallets could be sold at around $35. According to Birdeye, WEN price jumped almost 93% in the last few hours, which means that users who waited can sell a token and profit almost 2 times more than traders who sold right at the start of the claim period. WEN is a meme coin created after a poem published by Jupiter's co-founder, identified as Meow, on December 2023, and is classified as a community coin to give back and immortalize WEN culture. Meow's post mocks the meme WEN token that gained traction as a number of users hunting airdrops rose, all too excited to get rewarded, and asking when native tokens from decentralized applications and blockchains would be distributed. Over the past year, Solana has increased in price by over 300%. However, at the time of writing, it has a market cap of $41.9 billion and is trading at $97. The second coin under the radar today is Avalanche. Avalanche's AVAX token has demonstrated significant strength with a price surge of over 10% in the last 24 hours. The catalyst behind this bullish momentum is the unveiling of Ava Labs' latest initiative, the Variax scaling solution. The developers behind Avalanche detailed how Vryax will propel its network's capacity to an impressive 100,000 transactions per second. Vryax will address a pivotal challenge within blockchain technology, scaling networks to facilitate larger transactions without compromising security or decentralization. The platform employs a novel approach known as decoupled state machine replication, or DSMR, that revolutionizes transaction processing. In contrast to traditional blockchains like Bitcoin, where valid transactions are sequentially executed and replicated in each block, decoupled structures demonstrate advanced capabilities in state machine replication. Vryax's DSMR introduces a paradigm shift by enabling transactions to be distributed and organized before validation. This innovation significantly enhances transaction speed by facilitating higher volumes of simultaneous transactions. The upcoming solution will debut on the Hyper SDK testnet before extending to other Avalanche virtual machines. Emperor Oslo wrote on X, the AVAX rally will be one of the most hated ones this year. Yet so obvious in retrospect, while gaming is expected to be one of the most exciting sectors in the market, there is also a thriving DeFi ecosystem and a growing NFT culture hub on Avalanche. He shared a bunch of DeFi, LSD, and NFT projects building on AVAX, adding that many of these projects still have no tokens, which means they'll probably be airdropping to early participants. Now for some actionable news, trading volumes on the Solana-based decentralized exchange Jupiter have topped the charts at $480 million in the last 24 hours, amid a frenzy for new memecoin airdrop and heightened stablecoin swaps. The trading activity has even seen Jupiter beat out the Ethereum-based volumes on Uniswap for both V2 and V3 protocols by $10 million, with combined trading volume of these protocols only amounting to $470 million in the last 24 hours. A little over $50 million worth of Jupiter's total daily trading volume came from traders buying and selling WEN token, a new meme coin that could be claimed by any Solana user who had interacted with Jupiter in the last 6 months, as well as owners of Solana Saga Phone. The meme coin was designed as an experiment by Jupiter developers ahead of an eagerly awaited airdrop of the exchange's native Jupe token, which is currently slated for launch on January 31st. Pre-market Jupe tokens are trading for around 61 cents at the time of writing, and the estimated value of the 1 billion token Jupe airdrop could exceed $600 million at current prices. The market excitement around WEN and Jupe comes amid a large amount of recently announced airdrops from various projects in the crypto ecosystem. Jupiter currently handles 65% of the volume on Solana decentralized exchanges, thanks to its ability to provide minimal slippage and fast execution across multiple dexes. It will start trading at around 3 p.m. UTC on January 31st on exchanges like Bybit, so this is one token you may want to pay attention to as soon as it comes out on Wednesday. Another actionable news item today is that Meta 1 is having its first Ordinals inscription free mint on Solana. Meta 1 is a super tool made for the gaming finance world. It does a bunch of things all in one place. It looks at data, helps manage gaming groups, takes care of special digital items, aka NFTs, and even gives ways to invest money. Meta 1 wants to make it easy for regular gamers to get into GameFi, provide useful information based on data, keep special in-game items safe, and be a main hub for all things GameFi, just like an app store. Optimism, an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution, will unlock around $81 million worth of OP tokens on January 29th, 2024. According to data from Token Unlocks, Optimism's upcoming unlock will distribute over 24 million OP tokens, equivalent to around 2.5% of the circulating supply. These tokens will be distributed to project investors and core contributors. The project has unlocked around 885 million tokens so far, equivalent to around 20.6% of its total supply. And earlier this month, Optimism released its Canyon upgrade, the next major upgrade following the Bedrock upgrade. Developed in partnership with Base, Canyon focuses on supporting the Shanghai and Capella hard forks, along with implementing several minor bug fixes. The project further announced a $30 million token distribution to reward contributors to building public goods that power the Optimism Collective. OP is currently trading around $3, down over 2% in the past week. The token's market cap is around $2.9 billion, so just be aware of any potential sell-offs today in the OP price as large amounts of tokens are released. That's it for Altcoin Buzz Update. I'm Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.